This is 24/7 Miami.
Welcome back. This is 24/7 Miami VIP Actus. I'm Marjorie Londoño. We're here with Jerry and Gypsy. This is Jerry's third time at the Fame event. And Jerry, what makes you come back to this event?
Well,
yearly?
Iris Vera is a personal friend of mine. She saw me at an event, and she said that my music was really nice and that she wanted it in this new event that she was trying out, which is called Fame. Ever since then, I've always been back. I've been even booked to play at the 18th hole, and I brought different acts. This year, I decided to bring Gypsy along with me. We're working on something new, and it's basically just acoustic stuff. It's anywhere from acoustic to punk to rock to anything you can think of, even Shakira, world music, and you name it.
Okay. And you told me that you have 2 CDs out, but now you're going to work on a third CD with Gypsy. What kind of music can we expect on that CD?
Well, the 2 CDs that I have are both sitar albums. This third one is going to be completely different because the first 2 were from the Fly Kingdom. This is going to be just Jerry and Gypsy, and it's going to focus on mainly her singing, me playing anything from acoustic to sitar to piano to bass to even harmonizing, doing duets. So it's going to be more vocal, it's going to be more open to pretty much any style, and just incorporating other elements that I haven't incorporated yet.
Yeah, this is pretty much an anything goes kind of album because we are both very eclectic in our taste in music, and I like to do anything from punk to flamenco. So basically, I'm trying to be as free as I can. We're trying to be as creative as we can get, and that's what you can expect. Something that doesn't really have, you can't really put it into one category. It's going to be maybe 1 or 2 songs are going to be reminiscent of something you've heard before, but then there's going to be a third song that's going to be like something you've never heard before. And like I said, we're going to explore all different kinds of genres in music. I'm a big fan of Spanish guitar, so we're going to incorporate the Spanish guitar. And we're going to incorporate the sitar in certain songs. As a singer-songwriter, you want to be as free as you can be, and that's pretty much what we're trying to do in this album.
Okay, well, we greatly wish you luck on that album. Can't wait for it to come out. And where is it that we can find your music if we wanted to hear it?
Well, he's the one that knows exactly where, but I know that we're on YouTube and Twitter and something, but he can tell you specifically where.
Well, for now, you can just look it up under either my name, Jerry Oviedo, or The Fly Kingdom. You can also start looking, we'll slowly start building a website, Facebook, Twitter, etc. as Jerry and Gypsy. So just look for us under that name.
That's Jerry with a J, Jerry, and Gypsy, Gipsy, not Gypsy, Gipsy.
Well, Jerry and Gypsy, we wish you luck on tonight's event. Thank you for being with us. This is 24/7 Miami. I'm Marjorie Londoño.
This is 24/7 Miami.